Welcome to Embracing Life's Light, where we delve into the extraordinary realm of blessings from the divine. I'm here to illuminate the wonders and joys that come with embracing the blessings bestowed upon us. Life showers us with blessings every day, whether it's a gentle sunrise, the laughter of loved ones, or the warmth of a helping hand. These blessings, these glimpses of divine grace, are everywhere if we open our hearts to receive them. Across cultures and beliefs, the expression of gratitude for these blessings takes myriad forms, from prayers whispered in temples to hymn song in cathedrals, from offerings made at altars to moments of silent contemplation in nature. The appreciation for life's gifts unites us all. Did you know? In some cultures, it's believed that sneezing is a sign of receiving divine blessings. So next time you sneeze, consider it a little dose of heavenly favor. Let's pause and ponder. How often do we truly acknowledge and appreciate these blessings? In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to overlook the small miracles that surround us. But when we pause to acknowledge them, a profound sense of gratitude fills our hearts, illuminating our lives with joy and purpose. Nature itself is a canvas of divine artistry, a masterpiece that inspires awe and gratitude. The gentle sway of trees, the vibrant hues of a sunset, the melody of birdsong, all whispers of blessings from above. So let's embrace life's light, cherish its blessings, and spread the joy to others. Like, share, and subscribe to join us in this journey of gratitude. Remember, as we appreciate the blessings, we become blessings unto others. Embrace life's blessings.